iPhone 8 Plus Wi-Fi antenna replacement guide. The tools we're going to need are a Y00, also referred to as a tri-wing screwdriver, a proprietary pentalobe screwdriver that has 5 teeth, a standard 00 Phillips head screwdriver, tweezers for managing screws, a plastic prying tool also referred to as a spudger for disconnecting connections, a suction cup for pulling the screen apart, a triangular plastic pick tool for separating the screen from the phone, also a metallic tool for separating the screen from the phone. Before we begin, make sure that the phone is powered down completely. Near the lightning charging port, there are 2 pentalobe screws. Go ahead and use the pentalobe screwdriver, the one with 5 teeth, to remove the 2 screws. With the 2 pentalobe screws removed, we can go ahead and start separating the phone. Here's a tip: if you have a cracked screen, use a piece of plastic packing tape to put over the screen so you can get a good solid suction with the cup. The suction cup should be placed as close as possible to the home button. Go ahead and place the suction cup in the following orientation. Flip over the phone, and as you tug on the suction cup and pinching the phone frame with your thumb and middle finger, go ahead and insert the metallic tool right underneath the home button. Once you insert it, tip it back and forth, left to right, to create a separation. Once you create the separation, you want to insert the plastic prying pick into the crack, like you see here. Now go ahead and tip back and forward again, and then slide left to right to cause the separation to enlarge. Now go ahead and slide it down the side of the phone, like you see here, on one side all the way to the bottom. Then flip the phone and slide it on the opposite side just the same way, all the way down to the bottom. With both sides separated, what we want to do is we want to separate the top now. So just start at the top here, going around the corner nice and gently, and just slide it all the way down and separate the seam. With it completely separated, you can just fold it open like a book. The Wi-Fi antenna is located in the top left corner of the phone. It's secured with 4 Phillips head screws, 3 clearly visible and 1 at an angle that is hard to see. That's the one we're going to unscrew first. Go ahead and unwind that screw and move it over to the side. Now go ahead and remove the 3 Phillips head screws that are clearly visible. Make sure to lay them out in the order in which you take them out so that you can put them back correctly. Once the 4 screws are out, you can go ahead and lift up and remove the antenna. Here's what it looks like up close. Reassembly. Go ahead and place the antenna back in the following orientation. Secure the 3 Phillips head screws going into the top of the antenna first. With the 3 screws secure, go ahead and secure the fourth screw that goes in at an angle. You might have to shift the phone around to get that orientation correctly. Alright, we're ready to clamp up the phone. Just go ahead and close it up like a book. Start in the top left corner and start applying a little bit of pressure, closing the seams. Flip it over on the other side. Make sure that any of the waterproof adhesive is out of the way and that you get a nice sealed edge all the way across. Go all the way around, apply some pressure. Now reinstall the two pentalobe screws near the charging port. Just place them in and secure them with the pentalobe screwdriver. Now go ahead, power on, and test the phone. Thanks for watching, and check out more awesome videos at appledollars.com.